Okay, thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up and like the video, I really appreciate it. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing a walkthrough, kind of like a review. This is of an apartment in near Paris. This is Saint Denis, basically that's the elevator. And when you walk in, there's a key here, and then you go to the left. This is the actual apartment. So, let me just show how it looks like as soon as you walk in. It's a 2-bedroom, by the way. This is the restroom, and it has the laundry facility. You can see here. Let me get the lights. Okay, there you go. That's the shower area. You can see there. I guess they left some shampoo. You could kind of have an idea of how that looks like. These drawers or whatever. Oh, looks like there's a hairdryer as well. Okay, some other couple of things or whatever. Okay, that's the sink area. Okay, that's the other stuff. I do not know what that is. So, I'm guessing there should be soap. Okay, so this is the living room area. I already put my stuff down, by the way. That's why you could kind of see. It is smaller compared to like the American apartments and everything. But you can see here the small kitchen area. And it has a stove, an oven actually. And then this is, I'm guessing, the dishwasher. And then for the coffee as well. And here you could kind of see how it looks like on the outside of the apartment. You can see that there. Oh, and you can see the Eiffel Tower way up in the distance there. So this is a 2-bedroom, like I said. This is the living room. That is a sofa bed, by the way. So let me get in and check out the bedroom. Oh, the small bedrooms. Okay, so you can see there. Okay. Just record everything so you can see the outlets. Those weird outlets that they have here in France. Okay. Let me see, what is this? Oh, this is the actual restroom itself. Okay. Okay. And then, oh, you can see the outlets there and the TV on top. So let's see how the other bedroom looks like, which should be very similar. Oh, it's a little bit bigger. Okay. You can see, I guess this is a closet area or whatever. They have the stuff that they have. Oh, okay. Yeah. That should be everything there. I'm guessing that building way off in the distance as well as the Cathedral of the Sacred Heart. I believe that's it right there, because you can see the Eiffel Tower there. So let me know what you think about the video. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe to Robert's Video Machine. Give me a thumbs up and like the video, and leave any questions or comments. This is the first time I'm staying in the Paris, France area, so I'll let you know. Thank you very much.